Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my ELD setup. So I'm using the tablet. While I'm driving down the road, I can clearly see and be reminded when to take breaks and all that stuff. Got this cup holder mount off of Amazon. What is it? Mount It store. It's a premium cup holder, and I got the carbon fiber one. It was literally only like $5 more. It's all metal, pretty sturdy, holds it nice. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put up these back seats, take out the stuff I don't need, and I'm going to try and get that the bed frame and the mattress installed. Tomorrow I'll go pick up the trailer. Alright, so I cut out a piece of wood to fill in between my cup holders or storage holder. I still want to maintain access to the storage compartment that's built in. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put that sheet on this side, and then I'll just make little flaps that come out so I can easily just pull the flap and grab these items, because I want to use this. These aren't everyday items that I need, but when I do need them, I do need convenience to them. So just wanted to give you a little update where we're at. Alright, so it looks like 4 2x4s is going to be the height that I want, so I'll have that much clearance. Put some blocks here, some blocks there. They kind of support it, but I'm going to go ahead and cut these 2x4s up, screw them together, and screw them to this platform. Okay, so I got one block assembled. Pretty simple. I'm sure there's a million ways to do it. I'm just starting with the screw in the middle, pre-drilling so it doesn't split, and then I'm screwing it through so it punctures a hole in the other wood. And then I'm pre-drilling that, then lining them back up, screwing them in, and then I'm just adding a block on top of it and then offsetting the screws. That's why the screws offset, because when I screw through the 2x4 into this, I want to screw into the middle. Yep, just a little update. Alright, taking a little break on the bed. Getting everything packed up for the trip over the mountain to pick up the trailer. So I got my bags, the chains for the truck. They're big because they're dualies. The chains for the trailer. Got the air compressor, the cable, some spare DEF fluid. I had 3 of them. I'm on a half tank, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that up. And yeah, as far as the bed goes, it's coming along. There's some more work I need to do, but the weather's crazy today. It keeps raining, stopped raining. You know, it's just very difficult to get stuff done with the weather. But got this plank in, essentially. Gonna put another board here to cover that, but it'll come out. And then, you know, I got a total of 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing on the other side. So it's pretty sturdy. As soon as I get the other board cut out, this one's got to be more precise. I'll need to get some cardboard and make a template. But once I get that in, I'll probably end up going ahead and putting a larger sheet over all this. We'll see. There's enough support, but I'm just a big guy and I want it to be strong. I don't want it to break. So yeah, taking a break on that and just trying to make sure I get all the stuff I've ordered to be compliant on the road and be safe on the road. I'm trying to make sure I get that all packed up in the truck. I initially was gonna get all my chains, my binders, all that stuff I haven't shown you yet, have it in the garage. And I was gonna put it in the back and take it with me, but then I realized because I won't have the official license plate or the registration, I don't want to give DOT any I don't want them to think that I'm possibly on the road hauling, making money, because the trailer's all loaded out. So I'm gonna wait to stock up the trailer with all the stuff until I receive my registration and my title for the trailer. That way when I get pulled over, I have all the documentation. I may try and stop by a DOT station on my way over to Spokane and ask an officer if I can use temporary plates on a trailer and haul loads. If so, that'd be great, you know, start making money. Otherwise, I mean, it took 3 weeks for the truck license and registration to come in. So if that's the case, I'm gonna be waiting another 3 weeks before legally I can hit the road. So a lot of questions, and hopefully during this process I can answer some of those questions for you guys. All right, got my connections in there. I made sure to put some grease on the head. I don't know if that's enough or not. Never done it before, but I'm excited to use the backup cameras. That reminds me, I need to go grab that trailer camera out of the garage and bring some tools if required to make sure to mount that up, because the weather over in Spokane, it's been sunny and beautiful all week. So hopefully I can get that installed in the yard. So I'm gonna grab that. Alright, so just open the trailing camera box, kind of see what's going on. Looks like you get a bunch of zip ties and self-adhesive mounts for the cable on the trailer. So shouldn't need any drills for that. Should be 65 feet of cable. Should be plenty of cable for the 40-foot gooseneck. And then there's the camera. It does say, you know, top and bottom, so you mount it in the right orientation. There's a little tab here. It's kind of strange. Maybe it's, I don't know. But there are a couple holes in the back. And there's 2 screws and bolts. So it looks like the only thing I'm going to need to bring is a drill bit to drill a hole to mount this mounting bracket, and then just some hand tools to tighten these down, and then possibly some little tools to adjust the view of the camera. So as far as the install goes, should be fairly simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring my line bag. You know, this thing comes in handy. It's great for work, has all the tools, has all my accessories. I'll just make sure that I grab my drills and drill bits that I think I'll need, and we should be set. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow picking up the trailer. All right, it's the next morning. Just logged into the ELD to on duty status for the first time, and started my pre-trip. So you can see the clock is moving. We're on duty. While I was doing my pre-trip, I realized that I was a little low on fuel, so I filled up the truck for the first time with my fuel pump setup that I installed. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and you know, go back a couple videos, watch it. But the handle is supposed to be an auto shut-off, and surprisingly, it worked. I don't know why I doubted it, but I did. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna wrap this stuff up, get on the road. Well, this is the only real nice part of the crossing over the mountain. There's a big lake here. Yeah, the weather's been pretty nice. So yeah, I'll give you an update if anything else comes up. Something's on fire. Old as a car. Totally on fire. Alright guys, we made it to Love's. Good old Love's. Just about, you know, 3 miles down the street from where I picked up the trailer. I don't have enough time to drive back home. Plus, I'm in Idaho, essentially. Just crossed over the border. And a lot of my family is literally, you know, 10 minutes away that I don't see very often because it's, you know, it's a 6-hour drive. So, since I'm already out here, I'm probably gonna spend the day or the weekend visiting with family. But just wanted to show you my 40-foot Gooseneck flatbed trailer with the max ramps. I will need to do some customization. That backup camera isn't gonna fit between these ramps very well, so I'll have to think of something, modify the mounting hardware or something. I'll figure it out. You know, nothing's impossible. But this is a Max D trailer, capable of 30,000 pounds. The truck is rated for Gooseneck for 31,000 pounds, so we should be in business. Yeah, I got 3 storage boxes, actually 4, actually 5. Got a lot of space, but I got a lot of chains, a lot of equipment, and I'd rather get all that weight out of the back of my truck and on the trailer so I can tow more weight, you know what I mean? But biggest thing, guys, theft is up crazy. So haven't shown you these, but got these FT.Knoxs locks. This one so they can't mess with the bolt and just replace the coupler, and then this one so they can't come and hook up to it. So I feel pretty safe and secure. Everything's all locked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here, and I will catch you guys next week, and hopefully I'll have this back home and we can start putting some equipment on it. It does look like I'll be able to run the trailer immediately to start working because I do have a temporary registration. I don't know why the dealership didn't give me one when I got the GMC. Maybe they just forgot to put it in the paperwork or something, but yeah, I could start running. I could start making money. So I need to get my factoring figured out and put the insurance, or put the trailer on the insurance. And that's really it, guys. So hopefully soon you'll start seeing what you can make out here. All right, see you next week.